Steering wheel not working? Let's fix that. Step 1. Check connections and power. Ensure all cables are securely connected and the wheel is powered on. Step 2. Update drivers. Use Logitech G HUB to update and reinstall the drivers. Next, reinstall Logitech Hub by uninstalling and reinstalling the software to resolve potential issues. The fourth is calibrate the wheel. Recalibrate the wheel using your PC's control panel. And lastly, test on another PC. If possible, connect the wheel to another PC to check if the same issue persists or continues. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more contents like this.